One of the biggest AI opportunities right now is selling AI receptionists to local businesses. Hundreds of people are already selling this exact type of system because local businesses genuinely need it. It's a service that you can charge an upfront fee for, then continue charging every single month because you are solving an ongoing problem. You're not just delivering a one-time project and then finding new clients every single month. These clients are going to pay you every single month for this one simple AI service. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this AI receptionist works in action. And then I'm going to show you exactly how to build it so you can install it for your own business and also install it and set it up for your clients. And the good thing about this is once you've built one, you're not starting from scratch every single time. You're simply just customizing the same system but for different businesses depending on your niche. And that makes this one of the easiest AI services to scale. And before we jump in, if you want my completely free AI receptionist course, along with all of my prompts, my scripts, and my templates, and everything that I use, it is completely free. All you have to do is just subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with a friend, and then drop a comment below telling me that you've done it, and I will personally send it all over to you.
Hello, thanks for calling Preen and Clean. I can help you book a cleaning service today. Could I get your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Mohammed.
Thanks, Mohammed. Could you please share the best phone number to reach you?
It's the one that I'm calling from.
Great, I've got your phone number from this call. And what's the address where you'd like the cleaning service? Thanks, Mohammed. What date and time would you like to book your cleaning service?
Do you have anything tomorrow, say 3 p.m.?
Tomorrow at 3 p.m. works. I've booked your cleaning service for July 29th at 3 p.m. at LS1. You'll get a reminder before your appointment, and our team will arrive right on time.
Are the cleaning supplies provided by you or do I have to provide them?
All cleaning supplies are provided by Preen and Clean. The team uses an advanced hot water cleaning system that's completely chemical free. No need for you to supply anything.
And and is it safe for pets?
Yes, it's safe for pets. Preen and Clean uses only purified hot water, no chemicals at all. So there's nothing harmful for your pets or the environment. You can feel comfortable having your pets around during and after the cleaning.
Do I have to be home during the clean or how does that work?
You don't have to be home during the clean, as long as the team has access to the areas that need cleaning, like unlocked gates or entry points. They can complete the job while you're out. You'll get a reminder before your appointment, and if you have any special instructions, you can let the team know ahead of time.
Perfect. So just to confirm, my appointment has been booked for when?
Your appointment is booked for tomorrow. That's July 29th at 3 p.m. at LS1. You'll get a reminder before the team arrives. If you need to update anything, just let us know.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome, Mohammed. Thanks for choosing Preen and Clean. Your appointment is all set, and the team will see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. Have a great day.
Okay, so now that you have seen that AI in action, you saw exactly how it handled that entire conversation. It took lead of it, it answered all of my questions, and not only did it do that, but it actually booked me into that business calendar as well. And bear in mind, AI doesn't take a holiday, it doesn't get sick, it doesn't need to sleep, it doesn't need to rest, it will just work 24/7 around the clock for these businesses. So it's literally booking jobs for these businesses while they're sleeping, while they're on another job, while they're at places where they might not be able to answer the phone. And it's literally booking jobs on autopilot for them. And it's making these businesses so much more money every single month, which means they are going to be more than happy to pay you anywhere between $300 to $500 per month just for this one AI service. And look, these businesses, they are not buying the AI, they are buying the result of it, which again is booking them jobs. It is saving them so much more time and so much more effort and energy. And every single one of their calls are going to be answered. And if I actually show you the really good thing about this as well, so if you actually look over here, we can see the entire transcript of that call. This is me asking the AI questions. Look, I want to book a cleaning service. This is me telling it my name. The entire transcript of this entire call is over here, and we can actually see in a more broken down format as well over here. And this will go straight to the business's email. So when the AI does book a job, that business are going to be aware of it. They're going to know. They're going to get an email with the entire transcript if they do want to read it for whatever reason. And not only that, not only will they be able to see that entire transcript of the call, but it's actually going to show them that on their calendar. So they're going to be able to see all of their appointments that the AI has booked. And if for whatever reason, maybe they had to cancel a job or change the time or whatever like that, they can do that through here as well. And they can also track all of their jobs. So this is actually one of my clients live accounts for confidential reasons. I'm gonna have to blur this, but you can see that this is one of my clients' accounts. And if I head over to the opportunity, which is basically where you can track all the customers, everything is so neat and so organized for them. Look, inbound inquiries, if their site visit has been booked, if they've got a quote, if they're waiting for them to pay, and then once they've actually signed the contract and made the payment, they can track all of this in one single place, and it's making their life so much easier, and it's going to make it so much more efficient as well. And to set this up, it literally takes 5 minutes max. All you got to do is jump over to AI agents. And if you're wondering what software I am using, this software is called Go High Level. And the really good thing about this software is you can put your own logo, your own name, and your own colors over this software and sell it to businesses as your own. And I'm gonna actually leave a completely free trial to this software in the description below, along with my training. And just to let you know, when you do activate the software, I ask if you could just do it under my affiliate link. That way I just get a little bit of a kickback, and you're also going to be getting all of the training and stuff like that along with it. It doesn't cost you anything extra. But anyways, if I jump over now onto where it says voice AI, and if I go to agent list, look, this is the one that we just called now. Chloe, that's the one that we just called. But literally all we have to do is click on create agent. And it's going to take us to something like this, and it is so simple to set up and use. All you have to do, just watch me. You can start a timer if you want to see how quick it takes me. All you have to do is click on voice, select whatever voice you want. If you want a female voice, a male voice, if you want to even choose the accent, what language you want the AI to talk in, just select it. For this example, I will just do hope. Click on save, and there you go. That is the voice done, the language done. Then all we have to do is just give this a prompt. So if you've used ChatGPT before, you can use this. And what I actually like to do is I like to go on ChatGPT and say something like this. So I will copy this entire prompt right here, and I will paste this into ChatGPT, and I will say, keep everything the same, just optimize this prompt for whatever name of the business. I'm going to do a cleaning example for this. Your job is to book the appointment into the business's calendar. Send. And ChatGPT is literally just going to give you this entire prompt right here. Then all we're going to do is just copy that, head back over here, paste it in there. And then we can configure the welcome message. So we can actually change the first thing it's going to say. So when you call the AI, the first thing it's going to say is, hey, you have reached the name of the business, whatever. We can change that over here. So I'll change this to ABC Cleaning. And then we can actually give this AI a few actions, what we want to do after the call or during the call. So what I like to do when I do this with a lot of my clients is I send an SMS. So on the call, the AI will book the appointment, and then after it will send an SMS telling you, hey, look, your appointment's been booked for this time. You can make the payment here, and we will put a little link over here for them to make the payment. But there's a bunch of different things you can do if you want to just have it to book the appointment. If you want the AI to transfer them to a human at a certain stage, you can do that as well. And then one other good thing that I like to do, just for good practice, is I like to give this AI some more knowledge. So just for this example, say that I am working with this business called Minster Cleaning. This is their website. All I would do is copy their website, go over here onto where it says web crawler, add the website, and then I will just paste that link in there and click on train. And now what this AI bot is going to do is it's going to go through this entire website. It's going to learn everything about them, the exact services they do, their opening hours, their pricing, everything on this website. This AI bot, this AI agent is going to learn that. And then whenever someone does answer a question, that AI is now going to know the exact answer, exactly what to say and do. And then all you have to do from there is just click on save and then click on deploy. And then all you're going to do is just link up the business's phone number to this. And then there's two options. So we can have it that the AI will answer all the calls. So say you call this business Mainstay Cleaning right now. This is their number. Say you call them. The first thing that's going to be is the AI is going to answer straight away, and they're going to talk to the AI. The second way is if you call this business and they don't answer, instead of them missing your call, the AI will answer and basically use it as a backup and book that customer into their job. And then all you're going to do is click on save, and there you go. It's done, it's set up, and it's live for this business. And now this business right here, this Minster Cleaning, they've got their own AI agent. And I've actually made it already. So I could literally send them a message on here. So I could say something else, and I could tell them, look, I've made you this AI agent. Do you want to see it? And of course, they're going to say yes, because who wouldn't even want to see what something like this could do for their business, but especially if it's going to bring them more jobs and more clients. Now, here's why I actually think that this is one of the best AI services that you can actually sell for businesses to businesses. Every local business that I can think of right now, they take phone calls. If you go on Google and you search for whatever industry, I guarantee you 99% of them, they can have a phone number on there because they want to take calls. And the problem is every local business, they miss phone calls, right? They might be on a job, they might not have someone working on the phones 24/7 to take the call. So this AI can come in and they're going to benefit from something like this. And the really good thing about this, the best part about this is you're not rebuilding it every single time. All you're going to be doing is just changing that prompt and that knowledge base for each business that you sign on. And that basically means that your installation, the time that you're spending actually setting this up is very, very low. And you're obviously going to be getting paid a decent amount for this as well. And look, these businesses, they don't care if it takes you 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 2 minutes to set up. All they care about is seeing results for their own business and getting paid. They don't have the time to sit down and figure this out for themselves. And that is why that I like these AI receptionists so much. It's not a one-off project, it's literally an ongoing service every single month. But yeah, hopefully that this video has shown you that building AI receptionists isn't nearly as complicated as most people think. Once you understand the process, you're really just building the same system over and over again. You're just customizing it for every business that you sign on. And before you go, if you want to build this exact AI receptionist yourself, I've put together a completely free step-by-step course along with all of my prompts, my templates, my scripts, everything that I use to build these systems. I run my own business myself. I'm not selling it. I have no courses or any programs or any mastermind for sale. Everything is completely free. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with a friend, and then drop a comment below telling me that you've done it, and I will send it over to you. But with that being said, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.